Good evening. Wow, look out. It's the miscellaneous drawer. All right. A nut driver that at some point I dipped in rubberized paint for probably absolutely no reason. All right. Here's some miscellaneous Allen wrenches. It's the metric ones. And, look here. We've got a hitch pin for a trailer hitch. Yeah, I bought a trailer hitch and a pin, and then found out that the trailer hitch came with a pin, so I've got an extra. All right, here we are with the air chuck. You know how it works if it's connected to a compressor hose. All right, here we go with the wire brush. I think this probably came with some kind of barbecue pit set or something. Anyway, it's never been used, but I've still got it. All right, and then we got it's a brush. That'd be really good for, working rust off of like some stuff you've been soaking. All right, here we go. Here's the other half. We've got a flaring tool. That's designed to flare like a little copper line, or something like if you're hooking up an ice machine or something like that, and you're using a copper line, that can be handy. All right, and here we've got a irrigation line connector. I think I had some stuff freeze one time, bought one too many. All right, and then we've got some bolt or screw extractors here. I think I got those at a Sears a long time ago. I do not know if I've ever used those or not. Anyway, got those. Here's one of those random screwdrivers that probably came with some furniture or something that needed assembly. I don't know, it's a piece of junk, but you never know, it may come in handy at some point. This here. I'm not sure the name of this, but this is a really cool tool. But anyway, you take this the big part out, and you put one of those ends in. There's a couple of different flathead and a couple different Phillips sizes. Put that in the end, and you hit it with the hammer, and it's almost like a torque wrench or something. Anyway, here's some shotgun shells. Those always come in handy. I've got them taped up. I think when I was moving, those are $14.99. I haven't priced shotgun shells in a while. I don't know, that might be really cheap. Hammer drill is what I was thinking of on that other thing. It's like a hammer drill. This is the old tire tool. You stick that in the tire and turn that rubber thing and pull it back out. Here's a pipe cutter. This works on PVC and PEX. There's a warning inside there that it's really sharp, so you got to be careful. That blade is cut you wide open. Anyway, that's pretty handy. Let's see what we got here. Man, the old putty knife. That one's been around a while. It's got a coating of grease or something on it. It's been around. All right, what's he got here? Oh, the old ball inflator, the old pump. But it's messed up. Anyway, I'll probably end up throwing that away, but I'll probably save the needle. Let's see what else we got here. Wire nuts. Gotta have a few of these laying around. You never know when you need to cover up some wires. All right, what do we got? Let's see here. Staples for a staple gun. It's always good. All right, here we go. The chalk line. It's always good. It's nice and chalky. Kind of reel it up like a fishing line. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. A stud finder that does not work, or it probably just doesn't have any batteries in it. Anyway, we're not going to go through all this stuff because I certainly don't want to bore anybody. All right, let's see. We got a bunch of metal stamps. Got the alphabet. You can punch your name or something into something if you need to. And here's some additional punches. Additional punches or stamps. It's the alphabet. It also has some numerals as well. Pretty cool. I think I got that on the Amazon. All right, here's the PEX no-go tool. I've got a whole video on that. It actually did pretty well. All right, the old miscellaneous PVC fittings. Whoop, whoop. All right, got that 90 there. Put it back in there, set it down. All right, the puller. That's good for pulling stuff. I'm not sure if it'll pull a steering wheel or not, but it'll pull something out if needed. And let's see. Oh, we got the master lock. Yeah, these are pretty cool. It's where you can't really get to the mechanism. It's supposed to help keep things safe. But this one even comes with like spider eggs and stuff in it. So that's really nice. It's good and handy. Still got the key. So I'm good to go when I figure out what I want to look. Oh, here we go. Ace is the place for a flashlight that doesn't work. Okay. All right, we got some lug nuts. I needed these in an emergency situation, and I only needed like 2, but I had to buy like, I don't know, what is that, 20 of them? That's all the store had when I was in a pickle. All right, and here we go. Tire repair kit from the slime. It's got the plugs and the that liquid stuff you can use. And let's see what else we got here. We got the old paint stir stick. That's obviously from Lowe's. 5% off every day. I wonder if that's still valid. All right. And then we got some fuses. Some automobile fuses here. These probably been around a while. There you go, a fuse. I thought I saw a trick somewhere one time where you can use a fuse to pull out a fuse. And I don't know if I'm remembering it wrong or if maybe those just aren't compatible. I'm not sure. Anyway, I might have to look that up later and see what the deal was. Something's not right there with that. Oh, here in a surf form. That's for shaping wood and stuff. It's kind of like a planer, but a little bit rougher. Anyway, haven't used that in a while. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.